Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Lincoln Aviator in neutral. First, always ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. This is a crucial safety step before making any gear changes. Next, turn your vehicle's ignition on, but there's no need to start the engine fully. You'll then locate the rotary gear selector dial, which is prominently positioned on your center console. This dial is key to shifting gears. Once the ignition is on, focus on the rotary gear selector. You'll see a small N button located right in the center of this dial. To engage neutral, you need to press and hold this N button. Keep it pressed for about 2 seconds. You'll know it's successful when the instrument cluster display clearly indicates that the vehicle is now in neutral gear. It's a straightforward process. Sometimes, you might encounter a situation where the battery is dead, preventing the electronic shift. In such cases, there's a manual neutral release lever. This lever is usually hidden beneath the cup holders in the center console. You'll need to carefully remove the cup holder insert to access it. Then, use a small flathead screwdriver or similar tool to pull the lever, which will manually shift the transmission into neutral. Always be cautious. To exit neutral, simply press the brake pedal and then rotate the gear selector dial to your desired gear, such as park or drive. Always remember to engage the parking brake whenever you leave the vehicle, especially on an incline. Following these simple steps ensures you can safely and effectively put your Lincoln Aviator into and out of neutral whenever needed. It's a valuable skill for any owner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.